Now let's have a look at this question. This question tells you about this the length of each side of a triangle, and you need to find another side. And the very important thing is how you think this question. All right. So let's have a look at this. The RT triangle ABC, which means the right angle triangle ABC. AB and BC are right angle side. That means they are perpendicular. And also it tells you BC is a base and AB is a height. So we can label that. If BC is a base and then AB is a height. Now, because the base is always perpendicular to the height. All right. So AB is 60, so we label that 60. And then BC is 80, so label that 80. And then BD is 48. And then you need to find the length of AC. So we label everything on the graph, and then you can think about that. Okay, now because you are given the base and height, and definitely you will think to calculate the area. So we try the area first. So the area of the triangle equals base times height divided by 2. Write the formula first. And then we have the base 80, and then the height 60, and then divide by 2. So the answer is 2,400 square centimeters. After we calculate the area, we can have a look the other way of calculating this area, which is the base. So in class, we talk about, apart from BC and AB, which is the base and the height, and AC can be the base and BD can be the height. All right, so if we turn around like that, so we see AC is a base and BD is a height. So we still can use this pair of base and height to solve this problem. Now, so the area of the triangle also equals AC times BD, and then divide by 2, which means this is the base, this is the height. Okay, so that is a pair of base and height. We label that base 2, height 2. Okay, now we just substitute AC. We don't know that. We just label, just to put AC here. BD is 48 times 48, and then divide by 2. So equals 24 AC. Okay, now we can see we use different base and height, but we have got the same area. That means this area, the second area we were writing, 24 AC, is equal to the first one we're writing, equals 2,400. And then we solve this equation. So AC equals divide by, and then the answer is 100 centimeters. So in this question, we just use the equivalent quantity, like the area, to work it out AC. So if you know two sides, base and height, and then you know another height or base, and then you need to find another side of a triangle, you may think of this method. Write the area in different ways, and then make them equal, you can find another side.